doing the air filter. I bought some recharger. I got K&M, and I want better gas mileage, so we're gonna pull this guy off. I might need to take this off. I can't remember if I can tilt this. Yeah, I don't think I can. So anyways, I'm gonna pull these off, take my seat off. I'm gonna undo this screw here, and there's this cool little tool that's actually, if you have a 2006, it's actually just hidden in there, so you can just use that to hold your tank up. So anyways, all right, let's get going. Pull it back. Keep it tight. There's a washer on this, so don't drop it. There's a bunch of screws that have to come out here, 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 there, one back here. So first you need to undo this, and it's just there's a little tabby tab right there. These little paws. I'm gonna undo this real quick. I need both hands because look how tiny my hands are. Pull this one off. Because you're taking this top off, you gotta just pull these guys off here. One there. And then you have this little hose here. trying to think I can get away with it staying on, but I might have to. It's just a squeeze tab and then you pull the hose off.